Today we're back in the kitchen with a recipe that I'll call tuna thermidor. Not to be confused with thermidor, but thermidor because it's named after a guy named Butch Thurman who showed me this recipe in a camp down in Venice on a tuna trip. What we start off with here is some yellowfin tuna, Gulf of Mexico yellowfin tuna, caught through the compliments of Captain Martha Spencer and John Cole of Southern Catch Charters. Now what we've done is just cut these into tuna steaks. I've marinated them, it depends on your liking. Now tuna's got a very good natural flavor, so you don't want to overpower it with our marinade, which is Kikkoman's teriyaki marinade. I usually marinate it for about 2 hours. You might want to go a little less or a little longer depending on how much teriyaki flavor you want in it. The only other ingredients that we use is the Cajun seasoning from Louisiana Fish Fry, which I use like a salt and pepper. And you want to put it on there pretty liberally on both sides. Sprinkle it on there on each side. You can see how changed this color this tuna is because of the marinade. It gets it that nice brown color. And it's pretty much ready to go. Now normally I would be doing this in a black iron skillet, a cast iron skillet. But today I'm using a new pan. I'm testing it out. It's called the Rad pan or the Radical pan. It has all the good properties of black iron. It holds the heat, it retains it. It gives it a very good flavor, but none of the cleanup. It's a non-stick surface. So we're checking this out as well as our recipe. Again, we've got our tuna steaks that are marinated. They've been seasoned with the Cajun fish fry, and we're putting them into the hot olive oil. You don't want to let these go too long. Again, it depends on how you like your tuna. Do you like it rare, medium rare, or medium? Doesn't take just a few minutes. Depends again on the thickness of your tuna. These are pretty thick, so we're going to kind of let these go for a little while. Now we got them turned over. Let that other side brown up a little bit. The big pieces are much more difficult to work with than a small thin slice. And it's ready to go. Pretty simple. Now this is maybe not as rare as you're liking it. It's kind of a medium. Excellent taste. Tuna thermidor.